Hey friend, welcome to my very first YouTube video. I am starting this channel with one goal to help people like you discover simple, honest way to earn money online and grow your skills. So today I will show you a website called Outlier where you can solve question and get paid. Yes, it's 100% real. So sit back, relax and let me explain everything step by step. So first question is what is Outlier? So Outlier it's a platform where you can answer questions, yeah, complete a small task, and in return you earn real money. These tasks are used to train AI model, improve search engine, yeah, help tech companies understand language better. You don't need to be tech expert. Just read carefully, understand the question, and give your best. Now you might be wondering, what kind of question will you get? So here are a few examples I want to give you. First one is simple keyword type task type of question they will give you, like judging which answer is correct. Second one is translation check. Is the translation accurate or not? Third one is AI feedback. So which response sound more helpful? Fourth one is tagging and categorization. Label, words, yeah, content. These tasks are fun, sometimes challenging, but never boring. And the best part, you get paid for every task you complete. So how you can join Outlier and start earning? Let me show you. First, you have to go to the Chrome, yeah, any browser, and type outlier.ai. So you will come on these types of UI. It will open, and just see the right side of the top view opportunity. Just click on view opportunity, and it's open. Once it will open, just select the location. You can select the like global, and here type, you can choose any type like coder, and here I will choose coding expertise for AI training. Once I will click on this link, it will open here and it will give me the apply link button. So just click on apply now and just see here, just see the term of use and privacy policy and scroll down till the end of just scroll it and fill the checkbox, tick on the checkbox and click on submit and sign up with email. Just click on it and give your email and password and sign up with email. And after once you submit this fill form, just wait for the approval. Once it will be approved, you will get a mail on your email, and after that, they will give you one test, a small test, and that will be simple. Just pass the simple test, and you will get the access to Outlier. Once you will, and don't lose hope if you don't get it in right away. Stay patient. Your chance will come. Definitely, they will reach out to you. Now, the next part, it will come that how now let's talk about money. How much can you actually earn? So sometime in Outlier you can they can some task pay 10 to 30 rupees per question. 10 to $30, sorry. 10 to $30 per hour. If you are fast and accurate, you can earn 400 to $1,500 per hour also. uh, Sorry, not 400 to $50. It's basically 10 to $30 per hour. They will pay to you. I will show you after this. I will give you some example. Then I will show you how much you can earn with a live example. So okay, let me show you the with live example how much you can earn with this software. So here I have already this ID. Just click when I will click on login. So dashboard will open. Just wait for a few seconds. It will open. So maybe due to some network issue, it's working very slow. Sorry for this disturbance. Yeah, so it's open. So you can see here the first current project. So this is Mito Mo. This is the project name. So you can see the description also. In this project, we will challenge state of the art SOTA language models by asking question based on an image of your choice. Your task is to craft question that are. So if you want to read, you can just click on project details and just see, read here. After receiving the model responses, you will be required to analyze their output and provide a written criteria evaluation. This project is perfect for those who enjoy exploring the boundary of language and model capabilities and uncovering their limitation. This project is expected to run for 6 weeks. So some projects have some timing. and based on the timing you have to solve the question. See here, it's almost, it will run this project 6 week, 6 week. So it's not a small time, that's a huge time. And see here how many dollars it will give per hour. So here $27.5 per hour it will pay to you. It's a delivery task. Before delivery task you have to solve assessment task. Once you will pass the assessment task, then it will give you delivery task. So in assessment task, it will show you $8.25 per hour. And before that, you have to pass some task. That time will take approx 60 minutes, but it will take less than 60 minutes. And see here, I have already passed the assessment, and skill is it's showing here coding, SQL, and Java. So here the like it's a because it's a AI trained project, so that's why it's showing here coding language. Other than if you choose another one, then it will skill will be changed based on your selection. So just see, I will show you here earning, how you can earn money and how it will reflect here. And here, like weekly basis, they will pay to you because like every Wednesday, this payment will come to your account, and this payment will come basically on PayPal, yeah, AirTM. You have to install and you have to log in on that card. So you can see here total earning here $36.56 because I have done only assessment task. I have not done only delivery task. Based on it, you can see. And you can earn some bonus also. So when you click on mission, so you can see here like upcoming, you can check. So the no activity mission is there. You can go to complete. So whatever it's there, you can see here. Why it's not showing? Failed to fetch complete mission card. Okay, so maybe due to some glitch, it's not showing here. And you can see here, it's a bell icon. You can see here, whatever the exam you will pass. Suppose I have given the Hindi exam also, new mission. If any mission will come, it will give you here update also. And everything, whatever the exam, see here, I have passed Python screening test. So everything you can see from here. And after that, you can click on playground. See here, you can check here, you can search everything here, whatever you have doubt, you can use optimization. Everything is there. You can use this platform and you can upskill your you can upskill for yourself also. You can see the leaderboard. So it's a very, but there are some benefit of this project. So basically you can do work from anywhere. There is no need of fixed time. Okay, no need for experience also. Real money for simple task. If you will complete the task, it will pay you a good amount of money. You can see here, I have show you the example. And next is so that's all about the Outlier. So if you have any doubt about this project, about this website, yeah, if you have any need help, you can just contact me. Feel free to contact me. And guys, this is my first YouTube video. I have never done this before, but I did it from my heart, and I wanted to share something real, something that could help someone out there. So if you found even a little value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support this small beginning. It's take a just for a second for you, but it's mean everything to me. So I will keep making videos like this, simple, honest, and helpful. No big word, no fake promises. Just one real person try to helping another. That's all. Thank you.